my bare soles. The sky, a cathedral of pines. I fall into grasses like slow waves. Leave all that city mess behind. I'm alive. Sun breaks through the branches. Explosion in my ribs. The world gives every color. I kiss each breath like the first time. Oxygen thick as velvet, a whole ocean under my skin. I confess to myself out loud now, you're not a guest, you begin.